Hi there mga Mars and Pars! Napanood niyo na ba ang Lactum 3 Plus Bibo Lilith's Galing Challenge on I Want in YouTube? I love how Mommy Janella's baby, Jude, was able to finish his Bibo Galing Challenge sa kanyang barista task.
Di ba ikaw, Kon, alam mo na rin yung gumawa ng choco drink mo? Di ba? Yung ice choco drink mo?
Yes pa.
Ang galing mo, no?
Here I am letting Connor watch this year so he can acquire galing and discarded tips from these Bibo kids. Dahil alam nyo ba na ang new Lactum 3 Plus may dagdag DHA, kaya may dagdag galing with proper nutrition and stimulation. May iba't ibang episodes ito mga Mars na for sure magugustuhan ding panoorin ng Bibo Kids ninyo. Kaya tara, panoorin na natin ang Lactum 3 Plus Bibo Lilith's Galing Challenge on I Want and YouTube. Sobrang proud nga din ni Mami Janela at na-achieve ni Jude ang Barista Challenge niya. Well, at his age, sino ba namang hindi magiging proud? His perseverance to finish the task is something to look up to. Dahil yan sa New Lactum 3 Plus. Ang Bibo Lilit kong si Connor din, Certified Batang Bibo Plus sa tulong ng New Lactum 3 Plus with Bibo Power Plus. So ayun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye!